Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. When that has happened, you want to then begin holding power key and volume up, both of them at the same time, and this will take us to the boot mode. There we go. So once you see the boot mode, you want to select the second option, Fastboot mode, and then using volume up, and then confirm it using volume down. And as you can see, we're now in a Fastboot mode, which is visible by the message right below that has appeared. And if you want to leave this mode, you will have to hold power key till the screen turns off, or simply take out the battery, whichever one will be easier for you. There we go. And the device powers back on by itself. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.